Hello students, today's topic is circulatory pathway. We have discussed about the circulation or circulatory system, that is the system of blood vessels and heart. So circulation of blood, its pathways of two types: open circulatory pathway and closed circulatory pathway. Open circulatory pathway occurs in phylum Arthropoda and the example is cockroach. In this system, there is the cavity in which blood is filled. एक कैविटी होती है, बॉडी कैविटी, जिसमें कि ब्लड फिल्ड होता है. दे हैव नो ब्लड वेसल्स फॉर ब्लड, मीन्स दे डू नॉट हैव आर्टरी एंड वेसल एंड वेन्स. सो ब्लड इज फिल्ड इन दिस कैविटी एंड ऑल द ऑर्गन्स आर बाथ्ड इन द ब्लड. जितने भी ऑर्गन्स होते हैं वो ब्लड में पूरी तरह से डूबे हुए होते हैं. The blood here has no respiratory pigment like hemoglobin, and the cavity is called hemocoel, and the blood which is white in color because due to absence of hemoglobin, that is called hemolymph. So this is the open circulatory system. In the closed circulatory system, there are blood vessels, arteries for oxygenated blood and veins for deoxygenated blood. So here we can see that the heart pumps oxygenated blood through arteries to the body parts. At the tissue site, the arteries divide into capillaries, thin walled capillaries, for exchange of material like exchange of gases or glucose and waste. Then capillaries again join to form veins, and veins carry deoxygenated blood. They take carbon dioxide from the cells of the body after respiration, and now the veins have blood deoxygenated and it again comes into the heart. So this is the closed circulatory system in which blood flows into blood vessels. Circulatory pathway among vertebrates. So in fish we will discuss single circulation. Fish have two chambered heart, one auricle and one ventricle. Here we can see that the auricle receives deoxygenated blood through veins. Deoxygenated blood means the blood having carbon dioxide. Now auricle pumps this blood into ventricle, and ventricle pumps this deoxygenated blood to the gills. Here you can see that fish, and they live in water, so they take water continuously. फिश जो कि वाटर में रहती हैं, वाटर को कंटिन्यूसली लेती रहती हैं. आफ्टर दैट द वाटर from the buccal cavity enters the buccal cavity, then into pharynx, then it comes out through the gills. जो वाटर है वो बकल कैविटी pharynx से होते हुए गिल्स से बाहर आ जाता है. गिल्स हैव गिल lamellae and this is the site of exchange of gases. At this site गिल्स पर क्या हो रहा है, deoxygenated blood आ रहा है वेंट्रिकल से. Then at this site there is the exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide. जो ब्लड में CO2 है वो वाटर में चली जाती है, और ऑक्सीजन जो कि वाटर के साथ आई है, dissolved oxygen present in the water, it comes into the gill lamellae. At this site there is the exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide. Then oxygen comes into the blood and CO2 gets out of the gills with water. Clear? यहाँ पर exchange of gases होता है जिसमें कि CO2 वाटर के साथ बाहर आ जाता है गिल्स से, और ऑक्सीजन ब्लड में आ जाती है. Now this oxygen is supplied to the body cells, body parts, where respiration takes place, after which CO2 is produced. CO2 produce होती है, and now this CO2 comes into the blood. Now the blood is again deoxygenated, and deoxygenated blood then again goes to auricle. So here we can see this is the single cycle, and in one cycle the blood goes to heart once. एक सिंगल साइकिल में ब्लड हार्ट में सिर्फ एक बार ही जा रहा है. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड सिंगल सर्कुलेशन. And here the exchange of gases, the site is gill lamellae. In human body the exchange of gases, the site is lungs alveoli. So this is single circulation, in which in one cycle the blood enters the heart once only. Three-chambered heart. It occurs in amphibians and reptiles. Amphibians means frogs, reptiles means lizard and snakes. So in these kind of organisms the heart is three-chambered. There are two auricles and one ventricle. The right auricle, left auricle and a single ventricle. So here we can see the right auricle receives deoxygenated blood from body parts. In the body cells there is respiration, and after that CO2 is produced, which is transported to right auricle. Right auricle then pumps this blood into ventricle. After that the deoxygenated blood, it goes to the site of exchange of gases. It may be gills or skin in case of amphibians, and it may be lungs in case of reptiles. There exchange of gases takes place. After that oxygen comes into blood and it becomes oxygenated blood. This oxygenated blood comes into left auricle, from where it is pumped into the same ventricle. So this ventricle has oxygenated and deoxygenated blood both. There is a mixing of both kinds of blood. Now this mixed blood with oxygen and carbon dioxide goes towards the body parts, and here only oxygen enters inside the cell, after which respiration occurs and CO2 is produced, which again comes into the blood, and the blood becomes deoxygenated. Here this is also called incomplete double circulation. Incomplete because here this is the single ventricle here, which receives both kinds of blood. So in these organisms we can see these are cold blooded animals, means they cannot regulate their body temperature. They cannot maintain their body temperature constant because they have low oxygen due to mixing. They get low oxygen and they get low energy, so they cannot maintain their body temperature constant. Four-chambered heart. In crocodile, which is a reptile, birds class aves, and mammals like human being, and all the animals, mammals like cow, dog, cat, they have four-chambered heart. Right auricle, left auricle, right ventricle and left ventricle. So the circulation in this four-chambered heart, it is also called double circulation. We can see here the right auricle receives deoxygenated blood which goes into the right ventricle. Then this deoxygenated blood goes into the lungs, where at alveoli the exchange of gases O2 and CO2 takes place. After that oxygen comes into blood, then the blood becomes oxygenated. It comes into left auricle, from where it is pumped into left ventricle. From left ventricle the oxygenated blood pumps to the body parts. So in this type of circulation we can see that in a single cycle because to get oxygen to the body parts, the blood first come to the heart, then lungs, then again to the heart and then body parts. So in a single cycle the blood enters heart twice, 2 times. एक सिंगल साइकिल में ब्लड को हार्ट में 2 बार एंटर करना पड़ता है. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड डबल सर्कुलेशन. एंड वी कैन सी हियर बोथ ऑरिकल्स आर separated by a septum, interauricular septum, and both the ventricles are also separated by interventricular septum, and due to this there is no mixing of blood. So these two chambers have oxygenated blood and these two chambers have deoxygenated blood. There is no mixing of O2 and CO2. So the cells get very high amount of energy high amount of oxygen, they have high energy, so they can maintain their body temperature. The body temperature is constant. So the organisms are called warm-blooded organisms. So this is about circulatory pathway. We have seen two-chambered heart, that is single circulation, three-chambered heart, incomplete double circulation, and four-chambered heart, double circulation.